What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Coinbase Global.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news was the catalyst for the Coinbase movement to the upside that broke this range of resistance. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video several days ago when this asset was at the range of about $117.5 mark, and I've told you that this asset is forming some kind of channel. If we connect all the bottoms and project this range to the tops, as you can see, it follows inside this channel. And my main assumption was that when we hit the range of resistance, we have to have some kind of reaction. And here, as you can see, we have this reaction, but this reaction is extremely shallow. And instead of moving lower, and I anticipated its movement to the lower ranges, instead of moving lower, this asset, let me switch to hourly time frame, it has quite a harsh movement to the upside that basically formed even a gap with the movement to the upside for more than 8.23%. As you can see right here on pre-market hours, it's up for 8.63%. And yes, it is quite interesting price action, and let me show you what was the reason of its movement. First of all, take a look on the list of news that is surrounding Coinbase, and if you type in Google search bar coin stock, you will find a lot of this news, and one of them is this one. It was published on December the 2nd and it's titled Coinbase market share grows outside US trading hours amid Binance saga. And yes, we know that Binance was involved in the process of money laundering, and US regulators fined Binance, and they basically find Chapin Zhao, and I have to say that this news was relatively negative for the entire crypto world, but it was quite positive for Coinbase, because Coinbase and Binance are direct competitors, and that is why when one company has some problems with their market share, another company definitely will gladly occupy this share. And I have to say that this movement to the upside, let me show you another news, that it was the result of the breakout above $40,000 for Bitcoin. And let me show you that on my previous video, I've told you and I showed you about the price action of Bitcoin. And I've told you that we don't have a pure correlation, but we have some crucial level for Bitcoin, and when and if it breaks this range, and basically it happened, and this range was $40,000, we might have a huge spike in Coinbase price as well. And as you can see, it happened. Bitcoin broke $40,000, and for now it is at the range of $41,689,000, which is about 4.26% gains during just last 24 hours. And this breakout leads to this, let me delete this price action, and this breakout leads to this quite substantial movement to the upside of Coinbase. So I have to say that we are in quite tricky situation, because if I switch to Bitcoin price action, we can see that Bitcoin broke the ascending triangle, and on my video related Bitcoin, I've told you that if this asset breaks this range, we might see much higher price action, and it is happening right now. And as you can see right here, we don't have on hourly time frame, we don't have a bearish divergence. Let's switch to 2 hours time frame. We have just extremely high level of RSI. 3 hours time frame, the same, about 89.11 points. 4 hours time frame, again extremely high level. But on a daily time frame, we have quite a bearish pattern, and this pattern is nothing else but a bearish divergence. We have lower highs on our side, with the higher highs on the price action. And this asset, as you can see, it goes higher parabolically, and this is quite it is quite tricky movement, because when the asset goes parabolically higher, it means that it will go on the opposite direction in the near-term perspective. So it has to have some kind of cool down, and if we switch to a weekly time frame, we have again an extremely high RSI that should be unloaded, and this should happen within the next several weeks. But in general, I have to say, if we switch to hourly time frame, we might see this movement even further. So, and let's continue with the Coinbase technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are on hourly time frame, and the RSI is still quite high on Coinbase stock, on Coinbase Global. If we switch to 2 hours time frame, it has it didn't reach with its latest movement. It didn't hit the same exact level of 85.45 points, but it is approaching to this level. And if it breaks, this means we will have more bullish power, but this bullish power might be eliminated in near-term perspective. 3 hours time frame, we are quite bullish. We don't have bearish divergence. 4 hours time frame, so it is debatable, and we don't have the curvature on this this chart yet. But if it happens, it will be another sign of potential trend reversal. On top of that, this candle by itself is quite undecisive candle, because we have first of all, we have huge gap during this movement to the upside, and we have very small body of this candle with the long wicks from both sides. And if we switch to daily time frame, as you can see right here, we are clearly forming the bearish divergence, and this means we have to be very cautious with long position, and eventually this asset should have some kind of cool down, and this cool down might happen in near-term perspective. That is why, guys, just wait for the confirmation, wait for the retracement. Then when it forms its structure of ABC correction, if it will be an ABC correction, simple ABC correction, and then you will be able to re-enter your long position with Coinbase. And yes, I think these type of assets that are tied up together with the price of cryptocurrencies, they will be very lucrative in upcoming bull run, and we know that this bull run will happen potentially in 2024 because of the next bull cycle, and we have to be prepared for this. But for now, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. We have very good breakout above the range of resistance, but we have to have more confirmation of it, and that is why just wait. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.